Today we're gonna make Applebee's chicken wonton tacos. They're like my absolute favorite. First I'm gonna show you what you need. You need some wonton wraps. I got all this stuff at Walmart. Asian style chopped salad kit. 2 chicken breasts. Hoisin sauce. Soy sauce. And sesame oil. Oh, and some minced garlic and ginger. Today I'm going to deep fry my wontons, so first I'm gonna plug in my deep fryer. All right, so then we're just gonna dice up our chicken super small. All right, now to a bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And I'm adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Then I have about 2 cloves of garlic and about a teaspoon of minced ginger that I'm adding in here. And then we're gonna mix this up and add the chicken in. And again, we're just gonna stir all of this up. And then we're gonna take it over to the stove and just fry it up for like 7 or 8 minutes till the chicken is cooked through. All right, while the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna mix up my Asian chopped salad kit, Asian style. And I'm only gonna mix up about half of this because I don't know how much of my family is eating. We have the stomach flu going through our house right now. I'm over it and recovered, but the rest of my family is not. Looks like about half. All right, so now our coleslaw is ready to go. Here is what the chicken looks like after it's cooked on medium heat for about 7 minutes. And I'm just gonna put the lid on until I'm ready to fix my tacos. Okay, so the last step is making your wonton tacos. And you can actually also do this in the oven. You can start your oven at like 350 and drape them over the sides of a baking dish into like a taco form. And I'm gonna basically do the same thing, except I'm gonna deep fry it and then I'm gonna immediately drape it over the baking dish so that it creates that that taco form. Okay, so I just like to do one at a time, and I'm gonna put it in, and then after a few seconds, I'm gonna flip it over. And once it's just a little bit golden brown and bubbly, I'm gonna take it out and drape it over the side of my baking dish. And I like to use a paper towel because it's hot. And that's how you get it to like make a taco form. My deep fryer is kind of ugly, but it works. So I'm just letting this cook for a few seconds till it's nice and bubbly. And then I will flip it over for just a few more seconds before lifting it out and draping it over my baking dish. All right, here is how they come out. You got the wonton taco, the chicken, and the coleslaw on top. Taste test, because I haven't made these in a while. These actually might be better than Applebee's.